Now put this throttle tube on my bike. That's the tools you'll need. Take those 2/8 out. Take those 2 Phillips heads out. Put all the playback in your throttle. And you pull your bottom off. And then that thing comes off there. So then pull that cam off. See which cam it matches up with. Doesn't match up with that one. Matches up with that one, so I think we'll go with that one. And you want to put that back together. Make sure you over tighten it so it doesn't fall off. Now you take your throttle cable, put it back in its little home. Then you want to put your throttle cable back in. Put your roller back on there. Where it says upper goes up. You get there, and you just put this piece back on. I'm gonna make sure you have your little washer. Rides right there. And once you get your top back on, tighten your 2/8 Make sure you tighten them so tight that it doesn't fall off. Then run your cable out. Take the play out of it. And have a little bit of play, not a whole lot of play. That's about right. Take your 12, tighten that back up. Grips don't match anymore. Now you take your throttle cable, put it back in its little home.